If you're trying to mirror your iPhone to a Roku TV or a Roku streaming stick, but it's not connecting, here's how you fix it. First, make sure your iPhone and Roku device are connected to the same Wi Fi network. This is the most common reason screen mirroring doesn't work. Next, restart both devices. Restart your iPhone, then unplug your Roku device or Roku TV for about 30 seconds before turning it back on. If your Roku still doesn't appear in the screen mirroring or AirPlay menu, check whether AirPlay is enabled. On your Roku TV, go to Settings, Apple, Apple AirPlay, and HomeKit and make sure AirPlay is turned on. You should also check for software updates. Go to Settings, System, Software Update on your Roku, and install any available updates. Then update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS if needed. Another quick fix is turning Wi Fi off and back on your iPhone. This can refresh the connection and help your Roku appear in the device list. If you're still having trouble, try disabling any VPN on your iPhone because VPNs can sometimes interfere with AirPlay. And if nothing works, reset your network settings on the iPhone and reconnect both devices to Wi Fi. In most cases, making sure both devices are on the same network and updating the software solves the issue. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.